What's up, guys? Here I make a video. My cousin just got married up in Seattle at Pier 66, and of course you can see chemtrails. These ones just look like it's like maybe like the spray that was coming out of the plane was really dense or something. It's all just smears downwards. Look at that, it's just weird. And of course, greeted by our friend, the fucking security. Surveillance. It's fucking everywhere. My cousin's wedding was surveilled. Had a gazebo drop from off the top of the roof. So I just wanted to fucking show you guys chemtrails. Always here, always here, always here in Seattle. Sucks. See if we can get a view of the Space Needle. Hello. There's Safeco Field and Quest Field. Gotta have a bunch of stadiums and, you know, stuff for people to think about and do and obsess over instead of worrying about how fucked up the world is and maybe trying to fix it. But, you know, fucking go Mariners. Okay guys, I want to show you this HAARP radar that I didn't even notice when I was making the first video about these trails you see here dispersing. I didn't even see this, but I was watching videos of it being towed into Seattle and like through the Puget Sound. And this was like a month ago on like somebody's HAARP, you know, video just talking about what's going on. And there it is. You guys can see it, and there's not just one. There's not just that one. It looks like they got another one over here, and I think I remember hearing that in the videos. I'm not entirely sure, but that sure as hell looks like a big ass fucking radar to me. Fucking enormous. Let's see if I can get some use out of this optical zoom. I'm pretty hungover, so I'm not really much of a cameraman right now, but check that out over there. That's massive. They had a tugboat tow this thing in here. No idea where it came from or whatever, but looks like Seattle's gonna get an earthquake, or they're fucking with the clouds, the weather. I mean, it's a pretty strategic place to have it, whatever they're using it for. Or maybe they're just, you know, trying to see missiles coming in and respond, but I don't know, that's kind of the bright side. That's putting on my optimist hat. But yeah, there's all kinds of shit going on. Too bad everybody's fucking looking down at their phones texting. The CIA running drugs. It's fucking true, guys. Not that particular plane, but it's all around you. Just fucking shit goes on. It's there. You just don't see it, like an iceberg. Fucking sweet city. Awesome place to live. Just gotta fucking round up those criminals. Fucking criminal class. It's making us all into debt slaves. Not cool. Even my younger cousin is fucking... It's got some trutherness in him. talking about laughing hella hard yesterday when I was saying the best way to rob a bank is to own one, and that's just fucking, it's just true. He laughed, and 17, he's got the right idea.